great guitar.
Thanks, Quentin, for being here. And today we're checking out a really cool Eastman. Never before seen. This is the DT30D. And you're probably wondering what DT means, right?
Delirium tremors.
It's, nope.
Okay.
Close.
Sorry.
It's double top.
Double top.
So it's a Dreadnought guitar, obviously. That's what the other D stands for. But the DT, the double top, these guys have done something really cool. Oh, yeah. Remember that? You saw it on the cover of that magazine up there.
Yeah.
So they take two pieces of spruce and sandwiched in between is kind of like a honeycomb material. They call it Nomex. So I think it's going to give the top more strength. But you still have it's still super thin. It's a thin top, but spruce on each side. You still get the tone. I don't know. It's things I've kind of looked into and read about it. It's very defined. It's very.
You know what I'm thinking of? I mean, I'm maybe as a drummer you could explain. I've always wondered. This is totally off the rails for this video, but for example, a standard tom, you've got head on the top, head on the bottom.
Exactly.
Why do you have two heads instead of just one?
And you got that air in the middle.
And so what happens to the air?
It's so, okay.
It provides a different tonality, right?
It does. Oh, yeah, big time.
So, I mean,
without that head, it's kind of just gone.
But this kind of keeps it, and it resonates. It's a
air chamber. It's a little air chamber in there is actually what it
does.
is.
I mean, it's to try and conserve as much energy in the space to get the tone out of the wood? Or, I don't know. This is an interesting...
Let's let other people decide what it does. Let's let the scientists decide what it does.
The first
but
thing
it sounds like
a
cool thing, right?
Yeah.
It sounds cool because there's little pockets of... There's little honeycomb chambers inside, in between the spruce, right? So... It sounds cool.
To me, it sounds really... Well, Eastman has been... We've been... I don't know. How can we say it? We've been blown away by Eastman. Yeah, a lot. It's been a little bit of a love fest. And this guitar, again, is just no exception. Everything on it feels nice. It feels like a solid Dreadnought. It's got the volume, the tone, the sound that you want.
Very aged and does it sound? It just sounds like a mature guitar.
It does. It has a mature sound, but I don't know. Sometimes you can lose yourself in trying to find the right word, comparing them to candies, for example. Maybe a little out there for some folks to relate to, but in a nutshell, hopefully this is
the one
it's
you
coming
was like
through.
A caramello. What would this one be? Think about that. I'll tell you a couple more things too.
Go ahead.
With this guitar, it's also a one-piece mahogany neck. So they're putting a lot more into this model. Beautiful inlay, the Godot tuners.
It really
nice
it's a
tuners,
sharp-looking guitar.
Indian Rosewood.
It plays really nice. I mean, the neck is, I don't know. To me, there's nothing that really stands out about the neck, which is kind of a good thing because it's not like, oh, it's too skinny, or it's too wide, or it's too fat, or too... It's a Goldilocks neck. It's just right in the middle. Tonality. I mean, it's kind of solid levels across. It's not getting blown out on the high end or the low end, so it's kind of solid right in the middle, but all of it's present. I mean, instead of having like the smiley face EQ, it's like if you just took all the faders and pushed them up a little bit.
Gotcha.
Where this is I don't know what else to say.
Well, we have another one coming in eventually. It also comes in an OM body shape, and this is the Dreadnought. It's just another addition to their line. I don't think they're changing the whole line to this type of guitar, but wonderful guitar. Comes with a wonderful case, and thank you for playing it for me today.
You bet. Always I'm digging the Eastmans, man. They're really great, solid options.
Cool. All right. Thanks, Quentin.
You bet.
Thanks, everybody. Thanks for watching.
This is a Snickers.